Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create and use multiple virtual desktop on Windows 11. So virtual desktops are useful when you want to spirit your workspace, like for example, one desktop for work and then one and another for personal activities. Okay, let's get started. First in here, make sure the task view button, this one, is visible on your taskbar, and if you don't see it, just right click on your taskbar and then just tap on taskbar settings, and then in here at the task view, make sure it's enabled like this. When it's disabled, just turn it on like this. And then after that, after this task view is on, you will see this task view button, and when you click it, you can see your current desktop. And if you want to new desktop, if you want to create new desktop, just tap on this button like this, and just like that, you will have the two desktop like this. And now you can switch between desktop 1 or desktop 2 anytime using task view, and it will keeping your apps and windows neatly organized like this. Can see it. And okay, that's how you can create multiple desktop and on one PC. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.